Hello everyone and welcome back to Desire. Today, I have an amazing and super easy trick to share with you. Have you ever wanted to transform your ordinary photos into mind-blowing styles like gtaart, Claymation, or even a magical pop-up book, but didn't know how to write long and complex prompts? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that using just one single word. If you're excited to learn this awesome technique, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our future tutorials. Let's dive right in. As always, I open up Google and search for Google Flow. The first site you see is the Google Flow website. I click on it to open the page. Here, all we need to do is click on the New Project option. Once this page opens, we click on the plus icon from this section and then select Upload Media. We upload an image from our system. I've prepared a few images to use, and of course, you can use your own pictures. When our image is uploaded, the only thing we have to do is click on Add to Prompt, so the image gets added to our prompt box. Now in this section, from the Image tab, we choose the image size that matches what we want and is close to our uploaded image. I'll select the 3:4 ratio here. I'm using the Nano Banana 2 model, and I want it to generate one image for me. Now, in the prompt section, I just want to write one word /tart. Just that. Now I click on Generate to create our image. We wait a moment for our image to be generated. Our image is ready. It's excellent and beautiful in the GTA style. It's incredible. As you can see, with just one word, we managed to recreate our image in a totally new style. Now, I select my image again from the plus section and hit Add to Prompt. This time, I want to type another word and turn my image into a clay style, so I write /Claymation. That's it. Now I click Generate and wait for the image to be created. Our image is generated. It's really interesting, it created it for us in a Claymation style. I think this works even better for crowded and wide-angle images. Now let's move on to the next style. This time, I click on the 3 dots here and choose the Add to Prompt option from here to add my image. This time, I type this word /superhero. Now I click Generate and wait for our image to be created. It created this one perfectly too, in a totally different way. It's beautiful and turned our character into a Marvel movie superhero. I continue the same process, but this time I want something amazing to come out, so I type this word /woodcarving. You see, with this method and trick, you don't need any special expertise. With just a single word, you can create your images in various styles. Look at how beautifully it made this one for us. It created a beautiful, artistic image for us in a woodcarving style. I really like this one, it's unique. Now I want to use a different image with a few more characters. I upload this image, and after uploading, I hit Add to Prompt to add it. Since my image is wide, I select the 16:9 ratio, which matches my image perfectly. I want to convert this image into a felt and fabric style. And this time, I just write this /felt plushie. Now I click Generate for the image to be created. It generated this image for me as well. It's fantastic, and it truly created a beautiful felt and fabric version of our uploaded image. Now, I move on to the next style. I upload another image, and after adding it to the prompt section, I type this /Legoverse. I click Generate. While it's generating my image, I want it to create another style right here, so I type this one /vintage ADS. It finished our previous image. It's very beautiful, it made the image super fun and lovely in a Lego style. It also generated this image for us in an 80s vintage style. It made all the elements in the scene look retro and even changed our characters' clothes, which is pretty cool in its own right. Even though they look slightly different from our original characters, overall, it recreated every existing element to fit that decade. Now I upload another image, add it to the prompt, and this time I wanted to generate our image in a vintage line drawing style, so I type this for it /etch a sketch. I click generate and wait for this one to be made too. Meanwhile, I want to recreate the image we uploaded earlier in a different style. So, I add it to the prompt and write this /pop-up book. This first image is ready. See how it made it for us as an old line drawing. It's very beautiful, and you can see a mix of nostalgic and modern vibes together. And now it generated the other image for us. It's one of those styles where the image pops up in 3D when you open a book. It made it really interestingly. As you can see, you can easily create your images in very beautiful styles with just a single word, without needing any expertise in prompt writing. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and got inspired to try out these amazing styles on your own photos. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below letting me know which style was your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe to Desire for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.